welcome to another GCSE Computer Science video with me, Mr Goff, for MrGoff.com. Today's video will focus on network security. The aim of network security is to prevent the wrong people from accessing your network at all, and to allow those people that should have access to the network only to see those bits they should be able to see. There are 4 areas of network security that you need to be familiar with: authentication, encryption, firewalls, and MAC address filtering. We're going to take a look at each of these in more detail now. Authentication is the use of a system of usernames and passwords. This allows network managers to set up different user access levels so different users can be given different rights. Network managers also need to enforce sensible rules for passwords in order to avoid people hacking and getting access to the wrong rights. Encryption is where data is converted into a code that can't be read without the key. When data is encrypted, the plain text goes through an algorithm that uses a key to produce ciphertext. The ciphertext can only be read with the key, which will be provided when the user enters a password to decrypt the file. Firewalls primarily monitor incoming data from the internet onto a network, but they can also be configured to ensure that sensitive data is not leaving the company network onto the internet. Firewalls are configured with sets of rules to determine what should be let through and what should not. This might include denying certain data types, IP addresses, or ports of entry from the internet. Firewalls can either be physical or software-based. MAC address filtering uses the unique MAC address that each device connected to the internet has. A MAC address is a 12-hex-digit code. We can have either whitelisting or blacklisting when it comes to MAC address filtering. Whitelisting means only devices on the whitelist will be allowed on the network. Blacklisting means all devices will be allowed on the network unless they are on the blacklist. That brings us to the end of this video on network security. Join me again next time when we'll be looking at the TCP/IP stack. In the meantime, try the resources at MrGoff.com to help you revise computer science. And until next time, it's bye for now.